In this video, you'll learn how to buy multiple items from the same seller on eBay. This process allows you to streamline your shopping experience and potentially save on shipping costs. Start by logging into your eBay account. Once logged in, use the search bar at the top of the page to find the items you wish to purchase. When you locate a product from a seller, click on the listing to open its detail page. Instead of selecting the option to buy immediately, click on the button labeled Add to Cart. This action allows you to continue browsing without losing your selected item. After adding an item to your cart, you can keep exploring the seller's store for additional products each time you find something else you want. Repeat the process of clicking Add to Cart. This method enables you to gather all desired items from the same seller in one place, simplifying the checkout process later on. Once you have added all the items you want, navigate to your cart by clicking on the cart icon, usually located at the top right corner of the eBay page. Here you will see a list of all the items you have added. It is essential to review the details carefully, including the quantity, price, and shipping costs for each item. Some sellers automatically offer combined shipping discounts for multiple purchases, which can save you money. If you do not see a combined shipping discount, you can request a combined invoice from the seller. This option is typically available on the cart page or through the seller's profile. Make sure to verify that all items in your cart are correct before proceeding. A careful review at this stage can help prevent any mistakes in your order. When you are satisfied with your selections, click on the button that says Proceed to Checkout. You will then be prompted to select your preferred payment method, such as PayPal or a credit card. Ensure that your shipping address is accurate before finalizing your payment. Take a moment to review the total price, which should include taxes and shipping fees, to avoid any surprises. After submitting your payment, you will receive an order confirmation in your eBay account. You can track all your purchased items through your order history. This feature allows you to stay updated on the status of your shipments and ensures you are informed about delivery dates,